4.6 Savage here, and today we're going to talk about replacing a 2000 Mercury Cougar rack and pinion. I've already done the work, but I'm going to kind of work you through it step by step. So first thing you're going to do is remove your negative battery cable, and you're going to go inside into the car, and right underneath the car you're going to see your steering shaft, and you'll disconnect that one little bolt right there and it'll slide off. Now after you do that, you'll put the car up on jack stands and you'll go ahead and remove the rims and tires, and you will drop the subframe, which is this bolt right here and that lower mount right there, to which you'll then loosen the front bolts up 2 turns and allow them to drop, and you'll go ahead and start disconnecting your rack, taking the tie rods off, taking the plate off. Now there's a shield that has 6 bolts, and here's a shield here. I left mine off. I don't recommend leaving it off, but it was such a pain for me. But it'll have 3 bolts on it, and you need to remove those. And then, well, you need to remove the lines first. The first line you'll have to remove is a 11/16, and then the other one is an 18 millimeter. You'll remove them, and then you'll remove this plate, and you will go underneath, and we'll show it again. There is a bolt when you drop the subframe. It is this little bolt right there. As you can see, it is a star bit, 35. It's a T30 to T35. I used a T30, but I'm pretty sure it's a T35. I didn't have a T35 on me. And you will disconnect that, and that bottom shaft will come up with the plastic plate that's supposed to be there. I left the plastic plate off because I didn't know that stuff, and I didn't understand the instructions that were made. From then, you will remove the mounting bolts with your 18 millimeters on the rack, and you will go ahead and twist the rack. The rack will sit here. You'll twist the rack like this, and then pull it out, lifting up. And it's better if you have a person on the other side to lift up with you. And you'll remove the rack from the car, and everything's reverse to install. It was actually very easy compared to what I was expecting from this car. Oh, you'll also need to disconnect your fluid cooler. Let it drain, and let your lines drain. Make sure you have a pan in there. But that's going to be all for this video. It was very easy. It took me a day and a half to do, but that was me kind of half working on it, half not, and didn't want to touch it. Not gonna lie, I was being lazy. But that's all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe, and be savage.